Best Luxury Midsize Car for 2025 to 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE-Class. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE-Class has been recognized as the best luxury midsize car for 2025, embodying a perfect blend of elegance, performance, and advanced technology. As Mercedes-Benz's newest addition to its luxury lineup, the CLE-Class stands out with its refined design, exceptional comfort, and cutting-edge features. Sophisticated design and luxurious interior. The 2024 CLE-Class exudes sophistication with its sleek and modern design. Its striking exterior is defined by a streamlined profile, a prominent grille with the iconic Mercedes-Benz star, and sleek LED headlights. Inside, the CLE-Class offers a cabin that epitomizes luxury, featuring high-quality materials such as leather upholstery, brushed aluminum, and optional wood accents. The spacious interior is designed for comfort, with supportive seats and a thoughtfully laid-out cockpit. The 12.3-inch MBUX infotainment system, with its intuitive touch interface and voice control, keeps drivers connected and entertained. Standard features include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Powerful performance and handling. Under the hood, the 2024 CLE-Class offers a range of engines to suit different driving preferences. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 255 horsepower, while the CLE-53 AMG variant ups the ante with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine producing 429 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive acceleration. The CLE-Class also benefits from Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, which enhances traction and stability, making it well-suited for various driving conditions. Advanced safety and technology. Safety is a priority for the 2024 CLE-Class, which comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features. Standard equipment includes active brake assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Optional features such as a 360-degree camera system and active lane keeping assist further enhance the car's safety profile. Conclusion. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE-Class earns its spot as the best luxury midsize car for 2025 with its sophisticated design, powerful performance, and advanced technology. Its blend of luxury, comfort, and cutting-edge features makes it a standout choice for discerning drivers seeking a premium driving experience.